Hello, my name is Tezer Kutluk. I am a pediatric oncologist, former president of Union for International Cancer Control and European Cancer Leagues, and current chair of the Communication Committee for Pediatric Oncology East and Mediterranean. Today is the World Cancer Day. World Cancer Day has been led by UICC since 2005. The three-year campaign theme for 2025 to 2027 period is United by Unique. What does this mean? To me, behind every cancer diagnosis, there is a unique human story. Stories of resilience, grief, hope, failure and success. People-centered care means seeing the whole person and responding to their unique needs with compassion and empathy. The good news is that today's medicine can cure up to 87% of children with cancer. The bad news is that inequity remains a major problem around the world. We must unite and fight against inequity to ensure that no child is left behind. Friends, professionals, families, parents and children, happy World Cancer Day.